Hello everyone. So today we are starting our lecture series. In today's video we will discuss how to become a safety officer in 2026 step-by-step guides. In this channel I will provide all courses related to NEBOSH, IOSH, OSHA, rigor, autumn, first aid and other safety courses. So subscribe for these courses. Okay, so let's get started to our videos. What if I told you there is a career where you save life, prevent disasters and earn a solid income without needing to become a doctor or engineer? So welcome to the world of safety officer. Today I am going to show you step by step how you can become a professional safety officer even if you are starting from scratch. What is a safety officer? A safety officer is the person responsible for ensuring that workplaces like construction sites, factories, oil rigs and offices are safe for everyone. They don't just follow rules. They create safety system, prevent accidents and sometimes even save lives. Think of them as the silent guardians behind every safe workplace. Why choose this career? Let's be real. Why should you choose this field? High demand worldwide. USA, UK, Qatar, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, all construction countries, all Gulf countries. Respectable salary up to from $5,000 to $1 lakh. Career growth into health and safety management or consultants. You literally make a difference every day. This is the choice. And here the best part. You don't need to be a genius to start. Okay. Step 1. Basic information. Basic education. What is need for safety officer? First step, your educational foundation. Minimum requirement, metric or intermediate high school. Mean 10th or 12th education, but if you have a diploma or degree, especially in engineering, that's a big advantage. Okay, don't worry, if you don't, you can still succeed. Step 2. Get safety certification. Now come to the most important step, certification. To become a professional safety officer, you need recognized safety courses. Popular options include IOSH, Managing Safety, Beginner Level, NEBOSH IGC, the gold standard in safety, and OSHA course, practical and widely acceptable. If you are serious, go for NEBOSH. It's often international door. Okay, now let's move to step 3. Gain practical. After completing your course NEBOSH, IOSH, OSHA, then gain practical knowledge. Certificates alone are not enough. You must understand hazard identification and practical life, risk assessment, fire safety, first aid, PPE, personal protective equipment. Learn how accidents happen and how to prevent them. This is the main skill and the safety career. because in real life one mistake can cost a life. It's damage property, it's damage human life. Okay. Step 4. Get experience. This is the main fault in this career if you want for worldwide. So here where many people struggling but you are not. Start small. Internship, helper or assistant safety roles in a firm or factories or a construction site, or volunteer on construction project. Even 3 to 6 months of experience can make you a huge difference because this is practical field. Remember, experience beats theory, and this is the main talk and main thing in this career. Okay. Step 5. Build your skill. A great safety officer is not just knowledgeable, they are skilled. You need communication skill to train worker, observation skill to spot risk instantly, reporting skill, documentation and audits, competence to stop unsafe work even if your others disagree. Because sometimes you will be the only person standing between safety and disaster. Step 6. After completing these, applying for the job. Now you are ready. Start applying for construction company, factories, oil and gas companies, corporate safety roles. Use job portals, LinkedIn and recommended agency. Pro tips: make a strong CV highlighting certification, training, practical knowledge. Now let's move to career growth path. This is just the beginning. You can grow into safety officer, senior safety officer, health and safety officer, engineer, HSC engineer, and safety manager, safety consultant, and yes, salaries can grow big with experience. You can start from 4,000 and go through 1 lakh. Okay. Now motivation. Becoming a safety officer is not just a job, it's a responsibility, it's a mission, it's a career where people go home safely because of you. So if you are ready to build a career that matters, start today. Final advice. If you find this video helpful, hit a like, subscribe and share it with someone who wants to have a powerful career path, and tell me in the comments, are you ready to become a safety officer? Thank you. Safety first, success always.